Hi friends! I'm here today with another one of my favorite wraps for summer. I'm going to be doing another wrap today with a square scarf. I have here one of the Rapunzel Israeli tichels. I know I have a video from last year that's all about square scarves, but I have a new favorite, and that's one of the great things about wrapping, always finding better ways to do things. I love doing a bun wrap with the tails twisted around, but it always bothered me that the tails got thinner as they went around. So one side would have thinner twists around it than the other side, and that bothered me. I came up with this way of doing it that makes everything a lot more symmetrical. I have the scarf folded into a triangle, and then I've also given some pleats up at the front of it. I do that both because I like the way it looks and also because it gives less fabric in the back, which I find results in a neater final wrap. I have velvet headband and I have a volumizing scrunchie on the back. If you have enough hair to make a bun, you don't need a scrunchie necessarily. I will often wear this without any scrunchie, but you do need some kind of bun in the back to wrap around. So I'm going to tie this on my head, nice and even. So you can see even tails. And then I'm going to take my little end of the triangle here and tuck it underneath in the back. So this is where before I would bring both tails around to one side and start twisting. We're not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to bring both tails up just like so and tie them in a knot. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each side and keep wrapping it around. So take this and wrap it the same direction around once, twice, and then leave that there. And now I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Wrap it around once, twice, and then I'm going to take these two ends and I'm going to tie them in a knot below my bun and tuck the ends in. And as you can see, this results in a final bun that looks like you twisted your tails together and wrapped it around, except everything is very even. Nice and even here, and from the side, and the other side too. So that's it, nice and simple. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching.